Viewers, today we are using our calculator Osalo to solve a quadratic equation. So let's consider the question. Now the question says that we should solve this quadratic equation. Other questions to you say find the two sets of a quadratic equation, or if you asked to find the zeros of a quadratic equation. Now it's the same steps and procedure that we are going to use. So first, you press on the menu, that's the setup. Then you press on this sign, this one is B. You press on it. You see a polynomial degree. You select 2 to 4. Then you select 2. Then select 1. Then the next is that you press the coefficient of the x. So the coefficient of the x squared is 1. Press the 1, then press your equal sign. The coefficient of the x is 5. You press 5, then you press equal sign. See that the key is shifting. Then the next one is 6. Then you press your 6, then you press the equal sign and press it again. Then you see that x is less than -3, and the next one is -2 is less than x. So which is the same as x is equal to -3, x is equal to -2. So if you want to go back, you press on the mode again, press on the 1, and then you clear your calculator. Again, we are using the Casio, that is fx-991ES plus, to solve a quadratic equation. So let's proceed. So you press on the setup mode, then the next one you select 5, that is equation, select 5. Then you see 1 up to 4. Then you select number 3, that is the quadratic. You select the 3. Then you see the next one is to punch your coefficient of the x. So the first one is the x squared, the coefficient is 1. You press on 1, then you press equal sign. Then the next one is 5, that's the coefficient of x. Then you press on 5. Then move to c. The c is the constant term, that is 6. You press on 6. Press equal sign and press it again. That says that x1 is equal to -2, then x2 is equal to -3. So that is the answer for this quadratic equation. So during exams, don't waste your time by solving, taking paper and pen, wasting your time solving. Use a calculator, smart way, then you get your answer. Follow me for more, subscribe to my channel, and then more updates is coming. Thank you. And if you want to go back, you press on the setup mode again and press 1. That will clear your calculator for you for next question.